Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free BNB directly to your faucetpay account. And when you reach the minimum of faucetpay, you're going to be withdrawing your earnings directly to your Trustwallet account without any investment. And when I say no investment, I mean no investment coming from your own side. All that is needed is just your free time and some dedication, and you're going to be making a lot of money from this. So guys, to get started, make sure please to follow this video till the end. So guys, if you know you like what you'll be doing on this channel by going out there looking for updates, bringing them to you and uploading, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload interesting content like that, you're going to be notified on it. So guys, the link to this site is going to be left in the description box down below. Now when you click on the link in the description box, it's going to be bringing you to this site, and all you need to do is to tap on the register, and when you click on register, you're going to be seeing the requirement needed for registration on this site, and it's just as easy as ABC. So guys, as you can see over here, only one account, as you can see the requirement, only one account per person. More than one account per connection is not allowed. VPN or proxy or any other third-party software usage is against their terms. Again, acting against rules above will cause permanently termination of your account without prior notice. So guys, all you need to do over here, come over here, enter your email address, your username, enter your password, repeat your password, then come over here and agree that you agree to their terms and conditions. After that is done, you come over here and choose the images that is upside down like this, and after that is done, you click on register to get started. So after your registration, and an email is going to be sent to your a confirmation link is going to be sent to your email. All you need to do is just verify your email address and get started by logging in. Now when you click on the login button, you're going to be inputting your email and your password, and after that is done, you select images that are turned upside down just like this. Now after that is done, you go ahead and click on login. Now when you click on login, you're going to be fully logged in into your account, and as you can see over here, I've been using this site for a couple of time now, and it is really paying. At least I would say it's a very good site to earn a lot of cryptocurrency from. As you can see, this is my remaining balance. So all you need to do to earn on this site, when you tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen, as you can see over here, you're going to be seeing some earning options, and as you can see over here, you can earn through contests, daily bonus, faucet, offer walls, PTC, short links, mining, and also games and the rest of them. So guys, you can check this out and earn a lot of money for yourself. Like to the daily bonus of faucet, when you tap on the faucet, I'm going to be showing you on the faucet. When you tap on faucet, as you can see over here, the reward is 50 coins. Now all you need to do is to scroll down. Now when you scroll down, as you can see over here, all you need to do is to just tap on collect reward, which is over here. Tap on collect reward, and your reward is going to be allocated to you after this antibot link. After clicking on the antibot link in the following order, which is this and this. Now after that is done, you select the upside down picture, which is this. Now after you've selected the upside down picture, all you need to do is scroll down and click on claim, which is over here. Now when you click on claim, your bonus of 50 coins is going to be allocated to you immediately. So guys, as you can see over here, 50.05 coins has been added to my balance, and as you can see over here, you have to wait for the next 5 minutes to earn again on this site. So guys, as you can see over here, the timer is counting. You're waiting for 5 minutes in order to claim another faucet again. So guys, you can also try out the PTC ads. When you click on PTC, you're going to be viewing some ads for a total of 300 coins, as you can see over here. Total of 300 coins. As you can see this, you're going to be viewing this ad for 10 seconds to earn 10 seconds to earn 20 coins, and this also earn 20 coins for viewing for 10 seconds and the rest of them, and the total is about 300 coins you're going to be earning from this PTC. So guys, you can also try out the rest for yourself and make a lot of money for yourself, like the short links. Like when you do the short links have potentials of giving you more coins than any other faucet on this site. As you can see over here, it's giving you a total of 3,097 coins in total when you finish clicking the links. For each link you visit, you're going to be earning 150 coins for yourself. So guys, this is how you're going to earn on this site without any investment. All you need is just your free time and some dedication, and you're going to be earning from this site. So guys, to see the withdrawal on this site, all you need to do is tap on the withdraw button. And when you click on withdraw, you're going to be seeing withdrawal option. First of all, you're going to be selecting payment method. Now, selecting payment method, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be withdrawing to our faucetpay, but you can also withdraw to your payer, your BSC, your Coinbase, or a direct withdrawal. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be explaining on the faucetpay. Now, when you tap on faucetpay, you're going to be seeing where it is written select currency for faucetpay. And for the purpose of this video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to earn BNB. So all you need to do is to tap on Binance Coin, which is over here. And when you click on Binance Coin, as you can see over here, the minimum for withdrawal on this site is 1,000 coins. And as you can see, I have up to 320 coins. So guys, after the withdrawal, this is my balance, 320 coins. So guys, when you reach the minimum of 1,000 coins on this site, you're going to be withdrawing. As you can see over here, just for 320 coins, I already have 1,054 Satoshi of BNB already to be withdrawn. So guys, after you reach the minimum of 1,000, you're going to be seeing how much you're going to be getting, and after that is done, you input over here your faucetpay email address or your faucetpay BNB address in this section over here, and after that is done, you click on withdraw, and your earnings is going to be sent directly to your faucetpay account without no delays. So guys, this is how you can earn. And also another way to earn on this site is by referral, which is very, very, very important in earning. Now, when you go to your dashboard, as you can see over here on your dashboard, for each referral you get 20% referral bonus, and when your referrals deposit, you get 25% from their deposit. So guys, how to get your referral link? When you scroll down, when you click on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen again, as you can see over here, then you're going to be tapping on accounts, which is this. And when you click on accounts, you're going to be seeing your profile, referral and history. Profile, referrals and history. Now, the profile is where you're going to be seeing your username, your email and your information you use when you registered on this site. Then your referrals is for referring your friends and loved ones, and your history is going to be showing you all your activities on this site. So when you click on referrals to get your referral link so you can also earn, I'm going to be scrolling down. As you can see over here, this is my own referral link. Now all you need to do is to tap on the copy and the OK, and your link is going to be successfully, as you can see over here, then you copy and your link is going to be successfully copied. Then you can share to your friends and loved ones, so they too can also earn. And when they too earn, you're going to be earning also from them. So guys, this is how you can earn for free on this site without any investment. All that is there is just your free time and some dedication, and you're going to be making a lot of money from this. So guys, if you know you enjoy what we'll be doing on this channel by bringing up updates and money making ideas for you, so you can earn for free in the cryptocurrency space without any investment, please and please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified. And also, if you don't know how to create a faucetpay account, a link to the video where I explained fully is going to be left in the description below. And also, if you don't know how to withdraw your earnings from faucetpay to Trustwallet, a video is going to also be left in the description box below. A link to the video which I explained step by step is going to be left in the description box below. So go down, watch it, and you will know how to do that. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.